Hi, good morning to all. In a previous video, we have discussed about the classification of alcohols and phenols, that is monohydric, dihydric, and trihydric. That means the previous classification is totally depends upon the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in the molecule. In that video, we are discuss about the classification on the basis of hybridization. Classification of alcohols and phenols on the basis of hybridization, or unsaturated alcohols are classified as like that. First, sp3 carbon OH bond, or sp3 carbon atom is attached to hydroxyl atom. Hydroxyl atom is directly attached to sp3 carbon atom, and the second one is hydroxyl group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. The sp3 COH, that is the OH group, is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. It is further classified in three classes, that is primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. You are already known about the primary, secondary, and tertiary. If the alcohols are aliphatic, saturated, then these are the classified as monohydric, dihydric, trihydric. We have discussed about it in a previous video. But these are the unsaturated, then these are known as allylic alcohols. If the allylic alcohols is primary alcohol, that means, for example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. The hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized, because it contains carbon-carbon single bond. But that sp3 hybridized atom is directly bonded with sp2 hybridized carbon atom, that means which contains carbon-carbon double bond. As like that situation, these alcohols are called as allylic alcohols. If the hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon atom of that unsaturated alcohol, then it is known as primary allylic alcohol. The second one, secondary allylic alcohols, in which the hydroxyl group, there is H is missing here, there is OH, not only O. The hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom, which is secondary carbon atom, and that carbon atom is directly attached to a sp2 hybridized or double bonded carbon atom. Then that is known as secondary allylic alcohols. It is the example, that is CH2 double bond CH, CHOH, CH3. Then after, tertiary allylic alcohols. In the tertiary allylic alcohols, the hydroxyl group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. The carbon atom is, the nature of that carbon atom is tertiary, so it is called as tertiary allylic alcohols. Why allylic? Because it is a unsaturated molecule, it contains carbon-carbon double bond, but the hydroxyl group is attached to a saturated carbon atom, that is sp3 carbon atom, so it is called as tertiary allylic alcohols. If there is a benzene or aromatic alcohols, see here the example, primary allylic alcohol or benzylic alcohol, that is, it is a benzylic, it is a allylic. If a aromatic ring is present in the alcoholic group, then it is called as benzylic group. If the hydroxyl group is attached to that carbon atom, which is sp3 hybridized atom, because it does not contain carbon-carbon double bond, but the next chain or next ring contains carbon-carbon double bonds, that means unsaturation, so it is known as benzylic alcohols. Same here, it is a primary benzylic alcohol, and the next one, it is a secondary benzylic alcohol, because the hydroxyl group is directly attached to that carbon atom, which is a secondary carbon atom, because that carbon atom is attached to that CH3, that is one carbon atom, and the ring, that is the second carbon atom. That means it is the nature of that carbon atom is secondary, so it is secondary benzylic alcohol. As like that, then after the classification of ethers, it is a simple classification or very easy. Symmetrical or simple ethers, symmetrical or simple ethers, for example, that is CH3O CH3. That means in that class the oxygen atom is attached to same group, both sides have a same group, then it is known as symmetrical or simple ethers. The second one, there is two aryl rings directly attached to oxygen. These two are same. If the oxygen attached to two groups are the same, then it is known as symmetrical or simple ethers. If these are unsymmetrical or mixed, the second class, that is unsymmetrical or mixed ether. For example, see here CH3O C2H5. These two groups are not same, so these are called as unsymmetrical ethers or mixed ethers. See here, there is a benzene ring, that is C6H5O CH3. These are also not a same groups, so as like that examples is of unsymmetrical or mixed ethers. There is only two classes of that class ether, that is symmetrical and unsymmetrical. If the oxygen atom attached to two groups are the same, then symmetrical. If these are different, then it is unsymmetrical. Then after, that is nomenclature of alcohols. Nomenclature of alcohols, you are already known about the nomenclature. First we are discuss about the common or trivial names. The common names of alcohols are obtained by adding word alcohol after the name of alkyl group. It is very simple to naming by common name system. For example, see here the example first, CH3OH. CH3 means methyl, OH means an hydroxyl group. Then it is an alcohol which is commonly named as methyl alcohol. First write the alkyl group, that is methyl, because it contains only one carbon atom. CH3 is known as methyl. Then after, alcohol. The second example, CH3 CH2 CH2OH. The hydroxyl group is attached to normal carbon chain, so it is called as N-propyl alcohol, because it contains three carbon atoms, 1 2 3. So it is a propane, and that group is known as propyl. The hydroxyl group is attached to propyl, so first name the propyl, that is alkyl group, that is N-propyl alcohol. If the chain is branched or the position of hydroxyl group is changed, see here CH3 CH2 CH CH3, it is a straight chain. At the second carbon atom from that end, the hydroxyl group is attached. At the second carbon atom, the nature of that carbon atom is secondary, so it is known as secondary butyl alcohol. Butyl because it contains four carbon atoms, 1 2 3 and 4, so it is named as secondary butyl alcohol. The next example, it is a straight chain, but it is not a straight, it is a branched chain. If a branch at a second carbon atom, then we are use a prefix iso. iso is used for only the carbon branch, that is the methyl branch on a second carbon atom. So see here the straight chain, that is 1 2 3 carbon atom, and there is a branch on the second carbon atom, so we are use iso. The number of carbon atoms are 4, so it is butyl. The hydroxyl group is attached to that primary carbon atom, so it is easily write as isobutyl alcohol. And the next example, that is the hydroxyl group. Here is hydroxyl group missing, so consider one hydroxyl group in place of that CH3. The hydroxyl, when the hydroxyl group is directly attached to a tertiary carbon atom, then the name of that carbon atom, that molecule is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, in the next video we are discuss about the next nomenclature. Thank you.